We are here at Aramex, who we have graciously partnered with. We have the Aramex team, line match company team, all here helping on this production line where we are packing school shoes. From there we're putting the socks into the packets. We are then putting a line quality shoe polish tin into the packet with the shoes and the socks, and we are closing them at the end with the stickers. And it's really great that they've all got involved this year because we've always packed them on our own with Blue Sky Society, and now we've got the team from head office packing and getting involved in the distribution moving forward. So really excited.